Hello, my name is Gavi. I will be teaching you how to add a character in your scene. The first step you need to use is to tap on the library icon. The second step is to tap on the character icon. Now that you have all these characters, find one that you like. Now, tap on the one that you like and drag it to the place that you want it to be in. Your character will be small, so if you need to make it bigger, all you have to do is hold on to the icon that looks like two arrows going across each other. Now, while you're holding on that button, move it up to make your character bigger and move it down to make your character smaller. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, visit bit.ly/G3CoStutorial. This work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives 4.0 International License.